Hi, everyone. It's Mrs. Zanuck. There isn't a little picture of me this time. It's just going to be my voice today because I'm going to read you a book. And as you know, we've been learning about the sun, the moon, and the planets. And this is our last week. We're going to be doing something else starting next week. So this is our last week. So I wanted to make sure that I read you a couple of books about the sun or the moon or planets. So today's book is from our benchmark unit, and it's called Reach for the Moon. Okay. Did you know that the moon is more than 235,000 miles from Earth? In space, that is not so far away. So here's our Earth. Look how pretty it is. And then here's the moon. And it's more than 238,000 miles away from each other. Okay. The moon orbits Earth. It takes a bit more than 27 days for the moon to move around our planet one time. So here's the Earth, here's our moon, and it takes 27 days for the moon to travel around the Earth one time. And remember, here's our sun. The Earth travels around the sun. Well, the moon travels around the Earth or revolves around the Earth, okay? So the Earth is revolving around the sun, and while that's happening at the same time, the moon is revolving around the Earth, okay? Good. Did you know that the moon has no light of its own? The light that we see is formed by the sun. So the moon is not giving off any light. We're not getting light from the moon. What we see when we look at the moon and there's light, it's coming from the sun. When we gaze up, we can see light and dark patches on the moon. Using a telescope is the best way to see them. So here's our moon. Here's the light patches and here's the dark patches. And here's the telescope that they're looking through. This enables you to see the stars and the moon closer, okay? The moon rises and sets in the night sky. It rises in the east and sets in the west like the sun, okay? Moon rise, moon set. Moon rise means it's rising, just like when you rise to get out of bed to come to school, it's going up into the sky. Moon set, that means the moon is setting. It's going down, okay? Good. At times, we may think we see a man or a woman's face on the moon. Next time, see if you can find a face. This one's kind of upside down, but some people say that these are two eyes, and there's a nose here, and some kind of a mouth. But you need to look at it, because look at, here's could be two eyes and a mouth. So you check it next time, okay? When it's a clear night out and you can really see the moon, see if you can see a face. There is much in space to explore. Maybe one day you will board a spaceship and soar to the moon. So maybe one day you can be an astronaut, or maybe one day you can help create the spaceships that go up to the moon. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed our book on the moon. I'll be back with another story next time. Thank you.